Thank you for watching. I am here today to give you my honest review and experience with this handy dandy electric cleaning brush from Amazon. Okay, here's a true story. I don't like cleaning any more than anybody else does, so if I can find a way that can make cleaning easier for me, I'm on board with it. And this scrub brush and all of the accessories that it comes with make it that much easier for me to keep my house clean. So I was really excited to open up this box, and the first thing that I saw was a thank you note. Then I pulled the power unit out, get it out of that bag there, and it's ready to go. Then I pulled the different brushes that come with it. There's a larger brush, and then there is a holder for the different pads. There is a smaller brush and a corner brush, the different pads that you can use, and a scrubber for hard to clean places and a cleaner. Then there are the extension rods that you can use, as well as a bag that you can hold everything in and a little clip to hold the bag with. Very cool. And then last but not least, the USB cable and the instructions. I'm impressed that it can clean grout, and that's something that is really important in my house. It can clean inside sinks, outside sinks. Inside the bathtub is an important area for us as well. I'm sure it is for you too. Also, it can do corners very, very well around bathtub and surfaces. And then this is the kitchen counter that I did an excellent job with. And of course, the kitchen sink. But what was really, really cool is you can completely submerge this underwater and it still works. And there are other places that you can use this that I didn't even show you, like doing your windows or cleaning your car or getting really greasy, grimy things off of your stove. It can do pretty much anything. So just a couple of more quick things. It takes about 4 to 5 hours for it to have a complete charge, and it'll last up to 2 hours cleaning time. I really appreciate how detailed the instructions are on how to use the individual brushes and what they're best for, and also how to take care of the unit. I have been super impressed with the results that we've gotten from this electric cleaning brush. I'm able to do a multitude of surfaces. There's a lot of different cleaning brushes that we can interchange to make cleaning so much easier. My wife appreciates it. I appreciate it. It works for us. Maybe it'll work for you as well.